Hey man, what's up? Oh, you want to go out to dinner tonight? Sure, yeah, let's go to Alperon.
Hey Dylan, want to go out to eat tonight?
Oh man, you know I'd love to, but I'm still trying to figure out if I'm over my monthly budget.
Why don't you just use HungryWallet?
HungryWallet? What's that?
Here, let me show you.
HungryWallet is a brand new app that presents a clever way of managing the amount you spend at restaurants. It is straightforward in making sure you are spending within your means, and offers a simple and intuitive user experience. The user interface is clean and beautiful, with colors that evoke feelings of appetite and desire. To initially log in, you must provide a username and password. This simple and fast account creation allows you to hit the ground running and, at the same time, keeps your information private and secure. Once logged in, you will be prompted to enter a budget for the next 30 days, if you don't already have an active budget. After you have entered your month's budget, you are free to start documenting your spending by adding a new bill to your records whenever you spend money at a restaurant. By selecting the Records tab, you can see all of your previously entered bills in an easy-to-view format. You can enter a new bill by pressing the plus button on the top right of the screen, which takes you to the Enter a New Bill screen. After confirming the new bill, you will see it within the Records screen. This bill will now automatically subtract itself from your budget, allowing you to easily see how much money you have left this month to spend. Switching to the Search tab, you're able to search in one of two ways: regular search as well as a filtered search by price. Both searches are based off of your GPS location, so you don't have to worry about getting search results based in Seattle when you're in sunny San Diego. Regular search will take a keyword, category, or specific restaurant in the nearby area. However, the truly budget-conscious user will utilize our search by price feature. By simply dragging the price bar, the user can filter their search based on how expensive a dining experience they desire. After being presented with your search results, you can tap a restaurant's name in order to view information about the restaurant, such as its street address, phone number, or URL. Tapping the restaurant's street address will open up Google Maps and automatically prompt you with the option to start navigation to the restaurant. Tapping the phone number will enter the number into your default calling application, allowing you to quickly and easily contact the restaurant. Tapping the restaurant's URL will open up the restaurant's Yelp page in your default browser, or in the Yelp application if you have it on your phone. Looking a little deeper, you will find features that will aid you in your analysis of your monthly spending. Switching to the Analysis tab, you'll see a donut chart visualizing allocated budget and total monthly expenditure. As you spend more of your budget, the donut chart will deplete its graphic and display what percentage of your budget you have remaining. The app also looks at how much money you typically spend at your most frequented restaurants, in conjunction with how much of your monthly budget you've already spent, and will then calculate and display projections of how many more times your remaining budget allows you to eat at your most frequented restaurants. HungryWallet provides two different ways of visualizing your spendings: a pie chart that shows the relative distributions of the top 5 restaurants that you've visited, and a line graph that shows your spending habits. The pie graph is color-coded with a key below it that designates which restaurant corresponds to which slice. Tapping a slice of the pie chart will pop the slice out from the general graph, and tapping a restaurant name will display what percentage of your spending was at that restaurant. The line chart consists of nodes that represent your daily spendings. The height of each node is determined by that day's spending. Tapping a node on the graph will pop up a dialog box that shows exactly how much money you spent that day. These analysis features will help you easily visualize where you're spending your money in order to help you spend less and save more. HungryWallet provides a truly unique approach to a problem everybody has. Everyone goes to eat, but we rarely keep track of how much we spend.
We chose to develop on the Android platform because our team has prior experience programming in Java. The Android platform allows us to easily organize UI elements on the XML side and implement our app's functionalities through the Java side. We developed the application to work on the latest release of Android, Android 4.4, otherwise known as KitKat. Parse is a multi-platform cloud service which provides a scalable and powerful backend to mobile apps. Parse allows you to manage the user, store data, send push notifications, and track analytics. With Parse Android SDK, we were able to create our model objects such as user, budget, bill, and restaurant, and make them subclasses of Parse object. Parse object is an object that, along with its data fields, can be stored in the cloud, saved locally, and queried when needed. Through the use of Parse, we were also able to create a multi-layered software architecture, which minimized our number of queries. With each user, we attach the budgets and restaurants, and with each budget, we are able to attach each bill associated to the budget. Moreover, by simply doing one query for the user, we are able to get all the user information along with the user's budget, bills, and restaurants. For our app's search feature, we turned to two APIs, Google Places and Yelp for location-based restaurant finding. We used Yelp for search with preference to give our users the best options. Additionally, we query pricing information of restaurants from Google Places so our users can choose their eating destinations based on their budget. For our app's analysis feature, we found a list of open libraries on Bitbucket and GitHub and chose the Holograph library, Android Charts, and Android Pie Chart because of their simple, minimalistic interface that complements HungryWallet. Our development process involved a combination of waterfall and agile development methods. In the early stage of our project, we spent a significant amount of time on requirement specification and software design. This central idea behind waterfall saved us a great chunk of time and effort later in the development cycle. To establish a clear and consistent line of communication, we borrowed some components from an agile software development framework called Scrum. We had constant discussions on what features we must, should, could, and won't have, and addressed these dynamically changing requirements and challenges in a timely and iterative manner. If planned features or logistics proved overly problematic, we accepted that the problem cannot always be fully understood or defined and instead focused on maximizing the team's ability to deliver quickly and respond to emerging requirements.
I'm Elaine Huang, I'm the project manager.
I'm Ryan, and I'm the subject matter expert.
My name is Cindy, and I am the UI specialist.
I'm Zach, and I'm the senior systems analyst.
My name is Huang Li, and I'm the software developer.
My name is Cindy Chow, and I'm software development.
I am Louis, I am the software architect.
My name is Jessica Lai, and I'm the quality assurance lead.
I am Shaheem Jackson Burgess, and I'm the database specialist.
My name is Dylan King, and I'm the database specialist.
My name is Ashwari Monica, and I was the algorithm specialist.
CSE110 this quarter with Gary was a magical experience. In these last 10 weeks, new friendships have been formed and existing ones have been strengthened. From brainstorming app ideas at Roundtable during week 1 to meeting every Saturday to research and implement different technologies, making our vision a reality has been a rewarding and enriching experience. Finally, we want to thank Gary for inspiring greatness in all of us with his guidance and dedication to the class's vision. Thank you, Gary.